Alright, Jamaica College's goalkeeper and today's man of the match, Rassico Rose. First of all, congratulations on getting the win. Please walk us through your performance today.
It was a 70-30 performance. I come out and I do my best. Yeah, it's a very good performance.
Alright, firstly I want to ask you about your relationship with Romain Blake. We saw that you guys were going back and forth in the beginning of the game. Can you walk us through what that dialogue was about?
It's a very, very, very good relationship with Romain Blake. It was just that we make up a bad pass and it's that happened in game. So we just talk through it, cuss if we have to cuss, and then we move on.
What do you think led to you making a few bad passes? Because we know that you're one of the best goalkeepers with your feet. Why were your passes so wayward today?
Because I was trying to ace the game.
Alright, enough about the negatives. You had an amazing game besides that. You made some ridiculous saves that managed to keep Jamaica College into the game. What do you do to prepare mentally to come out and to perform so well on a big occasion like this?
Well, to be honest, it's the coach. Coach take our phone for 48 hours. I feel like that gave you a good focus to come inside the game. A very, very good focus.
And you went to the dreaded penalty shootout. You know, you might not have made any saves, but you probably put off the one shot that missed. What is it that you would do before going to a penalty shootout? Tell the people your pre-penalty shootout routine.
It's very normal, very, very, very easy. As long as you watch the ball and look for him, look which way my kick, throw him off.
Alright, so you guys are through to the finals, right? How does it feel first and foremost to make it to yet another finals in the schoolboy football competition?
It's a very good feeling, very, very, very good feeling.
And which team do you want to prefer to face in the final? Which team do you prefer to face in the finals? CC or KC?
It doesn't matter, anything come, dead, anything at all.
Anything come dead. Alright people, you heard it here from Jamaica College's goalkeeper and man of the match, Rassico Rose. Congrats and good game again, keeper.
Yeah, thank you very much.